Your cat knows its name. It just chooses to ignore you. A study published in the journal Scientific Reports in the year 2019 found that cats can distinguish their own names from other words, even when spoken by strangers. In controlled experiments, cats perked up at their names, ears twitching, eyes shifting, but often refused to respond. Researchers concluded that cats process human speech. They just do not care enough to react. Unlike dogs, who are socially wired to obey, cats are wired to observe and decide. So when Whiskers walks off as you call, that is not confusion. That is a choice. Subscribe for more science-backed pet insights.